Are you looking for ways to improve your cardiovascular health? Start by incorporating aerobic exercise into your routine 3 to 5 times a week. Brisk walking, jogging, cycling or swimming are excellent cardio activities to consider. Make sure to warm up and cool down before and after your workout sessions. Keep track of your heart rate during exercise to stay within your target zone. Focus on eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit your intake of saturated fats, sugars, and processed foods to support heart health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Consider incorporating strength training exercises to complement your cardio routine. Avoid smoking and limit your alcohol consumption to protect your heart. Get enough quality sleep each night to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. Check your blood pressure and cholesterol levels regularly to monitor your heart health. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated and accountable. Take breaks throughout the day to move and avoid sitting for prolonged periods. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourage your healthy habits. Remember, improving your cardiovascular health is a journey that requires consistency and dedication. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can protect your heart and live a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.